Needless to say, this canal is no longer in use. You can see the locks are all in ruins. It's just here for historic purposes. I'm not even going to try and pronounce the name of this canal, but here you can see another lock in ruins, and over here some kind of viaduct. Quite possibly this could have been a towpath that the horses would be bringing the barges up and down the canal. And here you can see the lock gate is pretty much in ruins. And we'll walk down here a bit. And if you see all the way down there is another lock. It's pretty much in ruins too. Well, it is totally in ruins. This would be the gears that open and close the lock. Very much overgrown. And more of it up here. Unfortunately now filled with garbage. And behind us over here you can see where the barges would be tied up as they're being raised or lowered. Again, this is where the barges would tie up as they're being raised and lowered. It's really a shame that this has all gone to ruins, that they haven't restored it. Very interesting.